So now it's time to share some information about the industrial partner HALCOR, which is the one of the three industrial partners in the consortium of SkiComCu. So first of all, we found it very useful to understand HALCOR positions in the entire life cycle of copper production. So as we can see in the illustration, Halcor plays a significant role in several key stages. Firstly, in the casting process. So in this process, Halcor produces basic shapes like rods, slabs, or billets. Next, through the rolling and extruding processes, these basic shapes are reshaped into intermediary products. And finally, in the finishing process, Halcor finalizes these products to meet specific requirements of customers. So, what is important to note is that before these processes, there are, of course, stages in which Halcor doesn't participate. Actually, those stages were mentioned in the previous session of KGHM. So these stages include copper mining, leaching and electrowinning, which actually include smelting and refining. And of course, there is the recycling of copper too, which also Aurobis can also mention some parts about this too. So Halcor contributes in the mid and we can say final stages of the copper production and ensuring high quality copper products for various applications. So now we will share some company details about Halcor. So Halcor is the copper tubes division of ELVAL HALCOR, which is an international force in aluminum and copper industries, with a total capital of 2.1 billion euros and boasting 85 years of industrial experience. Halcor runs 4 advanced industrial plants. Also, it supports 1,833 jobs worldwide. So, within the SkiComCu project, the pilot case will be used within the foundry and copper tubes plant. So, this plant produces copper tubes with or without plastic coating or industrial insulation. The capacity of this plant is 80,000 tons per year. Um, Also, let's take a closer look at the Halcor's production processes as a whole. So, as we said, the first stage is the casting stage. So, casting actually is applied in the foundry. So foundry produces the basics shapes like billets or rods, which actually serve as raw material for the copper tubes plant. So the raw copper billets are delivered to this facility, where they are heated in preparation for the extrusion process. During extrusion, these heated billets are subjected to high pressure and temperature, and they're being transformed into tubes that range from 15 to 30 meters in length. We have to say that usually the raw copper billets may have a length of just I don't know 60 centimeters. They're very much smaller in comparison to the semi-final products after the extrusion process. So after the extrusion process, these tubes undergo further refinement through cold drawing or rolling processes. So these steps help to reduce the diameter and wall thickness of the tubes, while they help to increase their length and achieve the desired final or semi-final dimensions that the customer has have requested actually. So in the first picture on the bottom left, we can see a preheated billet that will be inserted into the extrusion press in order to initiate the extrusion process. So as we said, the billet will be transformed under high pressure and temperature into a longer tube. So next to this picture, we can see that the elongated tube that has been undergone the initial extrusion, now it enters a chain track cold drawing process. So this process utilizes two synchronized chains to pull and further refine the tube, reducing again its diameter and wall thickness while increasing its length. Now in the upper right picture, we can see a coil tube, which actually can be a final product depending on the application of the final product. We can also see a picture of inner groove tube. This type of tubes have internal grooves in order to enhance the heat transfer. So usually they're used for applications like air conditioning. And following, we can see insulated tubes which are clad with materials to improve their thermal performance. So in general, the final products may be inner grooved, insulated, straight lengths, or coils. So now in terms of the SkiComCu project, ELVAL HALCOR, as we said, serves as the project coordinator. So this means that it's responsible for overseeing the overall project management and the day-to-day activities, including financial and administrative tasks. Also, Halcor will lead the development of the go-to-market strategy and the sustainability plan. And in terms of the work packages, actually, ELVAL HALCOR leads work package 0, which is about the go-to-market strategy. So this includes the development of the go-to-market strategy, the sustainability plan, and the backflow model. And also, ELVAL HALCOR leads the work package 1, which is about the project management. Uh, in next work packages actually contributes as the industrial partner. So for example, in work package 2, which is about the competence frameworks, it contributes by providing job profiles, by collecting data, and also reviewing methodologies. In work package 3, which is about the educational content, it reviews the learning materials and ensures that it's coherent with the national characteristics. In work package 4, which is about the e-learning platform and the extended reality tools, it reviews the online platform, the e-learning materials, and the XR tools. In work package 5, which is being led, as we said in previous session, by the KGHM, Halcor similarly serves as an end user. So, except for co-developing a training center, it will also contribute in pilot testing and also will be responsible for identifying co-funding schemes. In work package 6, which is about communication and networking, it will contribute in communication activities, organizing press conferences, and preparing network action plans. So, before closing, we would like to share how we envision the benefits of SkiComCu projects as an industrial user. So, first of all, the SkiComCu project provides a comprehensive understanding of production. This means that it covers everything from mining to recycling. So, and also it fosters pride, responsibility, and commitment to quality and sustainability. Then the SkiComCu project enhances the technical knowledge and skills by offering training on basic production processes and specialized areas like the physical metallurgy and mechanical engineering. Thirdly, the SkiComCu project informs participants about economic and environmental aspects that are related to copper production specifically, and it helps them to make informed decisions that support sustainability goals and adapt to market changes and regulations. And lastly, the project optimizes the training efficiency, and this happens by streamlining the processes using interactive simulation tools, just like the XR tools. And this help in tackling complex production issues through this kind of advanced training methods. So this is all from my side. Once again, if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them in the Q&A section.